I got a question from a viewer about the welds on this bike, if they are good or not. So let's take a look. Okay, let's start to look at the front on the frame. Here we have some of the bigger welds of the frame. Hope you can see. And down here too. To me it looks pretty okay. And here we have some smaller welds. Okay, here we are on the other side in the front of the frame. The big welds. I'm not a welder, but it looks really nice. Of course there's painting over it, but it looks nice and clean. If you found this information helpful, please consider to like and subscribe for more helpful information. Thank you.